Hi, my name is Sarah Irving, and I'm a registered acupuncturist practicing in Vancouver, BC. I came to learn the balance method starting about 4 years ago, and since then it's formed the majority of my practice, both in a private and a community style setting. The balance method really gave me a logical framework to think through a diagnosis for any type of problem that came in my door. And I think that's the biggest difference between this method and anything else I'd learned, is that it was a whole new way of thinking about how to use acupuncture, not just a specific trick for treating headaches or orthopedics or dermatology, which also means that this program will be useful for any acupuncturist regardless of your area of focus. The balance method also helped to explain and give a logical reasoning to a lot of things that I'd learned in school completely arbitrarily. So I feel like it gave me a deeper understanding of what I already knew, and it also helped me to better understand why acupuncture points do what they do, which translated into me feeling a lot more confident in my point selection and my point combinations as well. The balance method also allows for a lot of immediate feedback from your patients. It's actually really fun to put some needles in somebody's ankle and have them move their shoulder and get to see their face when their pain is gone. So that's definitely a bonus. I live in Vancouver, and I've taken some seminars from Dr. Sonia Tan already, and I found her to be a fabulous teacher, and I really learned a lot from her. I'm looking forward to the longer format of this program as a way to really get a lot of feedback from each technique as I go into my practice and use it, and then come back to the next module and report how it went. And also as an opportunity to really refine my own understanding of the balance method. So I hope to see you there.
I'm Dr. Ivo Molly, and I'm an acupuncturist and a naturopathic physician. I've been practicing acupuncture now for 10 years, and I was introduced to the balance method as a student. However, I didn't really seriously consider it as a practice modality until about 2 years ago when Dr. Sonia Tan mentioned that she was interested in teaching people the balance method. As an acupuncturist, I was a little reluctant to switch my practice from a traditional Chinese medicine model to a balance model. However, since January of this year, that's January of 2018, I've used balance method exclusively in my practice, and I've been getting really amazing and phenomenal results with it. I feel like the balance method is a really great modality because it allows you to treat complex patients and use some very interesting point combinations that maybe you wouldn't have thought of before. So before I was exposed to balance method, or before I learned about the balance method, I was getting decent results with my patients. But I did have those patients that, regardless of what I did, it didn't seem like their condition was really improving. However, ever since I've been doing the balance method, I've actually been getting quicker results with patients. And this has been very fulfilling for me as a practitioner and also for patients. The spin-off, or the positive effect of that, is that I've actually had more patients that are referring people to me due to the success that they're getting doing balance method. Now, Dr. Sonia Tan, as a teacher, is a really fantastic educator. I like the way that she takes a complex matter such as the balance method, and she really breaks down all this information into bite-sized pieces that's really easy to digest. I also really enjoyed the practical aspect of the course. It was really nice to see balance in practice or in motion as you're learning about it. Overall, I would really highly recommend the balance method to anyone who is an acupuncturist, or even anybody who is interested or practicing acupuncture right now. It's a modality that you can easily incorporate into your practice, whether you're a new grad or you're a seasoned doctor who has been practicing for a while. So all in all, I've really enjoyed taking balance method courses with Dr. Tan, and I've really been impressed with the results that I've been able to get with patients with this new paradigm of treating.
Hi, my name is Sarah Ward, and I'm a registered acupuncturist. I've been exclusively practicing the balance method for the last 7 years. I came to learn the balance method straight out of school and had the honor of studying with Dr. Richard Tan. I clearly remember his opening sentence in that course, and it was, "Thank you for being here, and now I want you to forget everything that you've ever learned in school." Of course, it was funny at the time, but then I learned later that it was actually true. As a new graduate, I was armed and ready to do it all. Cupping, moxa, e-stim, you name it. But I kept reflecting back on what I had learned about the channel theory, and then I started to apply it. Much to my surprise, it was actually working. With patients that we were seeing slow and incremental success, when I made the shift to the channel theory, we started seeing dramatic results, which prompted me to continue and solely practice the balance method, with such great success. I devoured any course that truly focused on acupuncture as it was classically meant to be practiced. Seeking out Dr. Sonia Tan has deepened my knowledge and fueled my practice. Every time I dive a bit deeper into the science of our medicine, I'm blown away. Having Dr. Sonia Tan by my side with all her expertise has helped me incredibly in my practice. Here's what I know for sure about the balance method. It has revolutionized my practice in so many ways, but first and foremost, learning and practicing the balance method is a confidence builder for both me and my patients. The more complex the case is, the more dramatic the results. Picture instantaneous results with the channel theory. I feel incredibly honored to be working alongside Dr. Sonia Tan and the team she has put together. If you're looking to take your practice to the next level, look no further. You'll be in good company with years of clinical experience making our medicine shine. I truly believe the world needs more acupuncturists that can collaborate and speak the same language. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you in class.